Greeting to Dr. ASHARI and good morning everyone. I'm KHOO JASMINE.
I'm Chua.
I'm Jasmine. We are from MASKETEER.
So in this project, we have divided our job equally, and each of us will explain briefly the part we have in charge later. So let's start.
As COVID-19 cases begins to rise in the country again, with new daily infections hitting new high, our government has made it compulsory for everyone to wear face masks, and police have started issuing immediate 1,000 ringgit compounds to individuals who did not obey the rules, or even for wearing the mask incorrectly in public areas. This will definitely increase the burden of the police force as they have to do more routine checks. It is difficult for them to monitor or check whether each and every individual is wearing their face mask, as they are having manpower shortage on doing monitoring visit in every public areas. Therefore, our approach taken to overcome this problem is to build a system with face mask detections named as MASKETEER. The objective of face mask detection systems use existing CCTV cameras combined with computer visions to detect people without masks and capture images of them to store in databases as evidence. An automated email system will also send out fines to individuals who did not wear a mask. We have created a prototype for MASKETEER. MASKETEER is a built-in software for CCTV that is set up in the public area, either in the shopping mall or outdoor area. When someone who are not wearing any mask and it's detected in our CCTV screen, their personal information will transfer into our system. So this is the starting page of MASKETEER. So admin will have to enter their username and password in order to enter to the system. Now let's look at the homepage of the system. On the right side, there will be a small screen that displays the current CCTV that are nearby to the admin. So whenever someone who are not wearing their mask pass by to this CCTV, their face and also their details will be transferred into our system immediately. And admin can always change the location of the CCTV they want. So the personal information of those who are not wearing their mask will be updated frequently in order to have the latest information in our system. So you can always click on the individual to have more on their details for their names, their address, and also email address. So this is the details of the fine. So you can always click on the send mail to send a fine notice to this person through their email.
Hello, I'm KHOO, and now I'm going to proceed with the presentation of our prototype. So right after the person who didn't wear their mask being captured by our system and the image are being stored in the database, actually we can check back their records at the report tab over here. So this report page actually stores the information for those individuals who are masked. So you can see that actually those information are all being stored over here. So for example, you can see that MOHAMAD Ali and that their email is being shown, and then the type of the problem, which is unmasked, also being shown, and the status is sent. So actually, because we have a auto emailing system to send out their receipt of the fine to that person. So actually this status represents that the email is being sent or not. And then over here we have the action to edit that person's information and then to suspend it or to delete the record of it. Alright, so for example, if I click on the status of anyone, Darren Chai, you can see that actually the information is being shown, the camera number that captured it, and then the email of it, of the person, of Darren Chai, and then the fine reason of it, which is the unmasked in public place, and then the fine amount will be shown. So you can click on update by update this kind of information, or you can send out the email to this person, to Darren Chai. Besides that, the location that captured it image and the time and also the image of it of itself is being displayed over here also.
Hi, I'm Chua. I will continue to discuss about the camera page. So under the screen tab, users are allowed to monitor the situation of each camera, and once the camera is added into the system will automatically distinguish the risk level of that area based on the collected number of people who are not wearing a mask. So for the setting tab, user can adjust the setting of each camera, and also they can unactivate the camera. So let us move to the account. So this page allows user to edit their account setting and also the system setting. So once the user would like to end their sections, they can click on Log Out. And that's all for us. In conclusion, with the assistance of musketeers, the burden shouldered by the police force may be reduced. They do not need to check the community on the issues of following SOP from time to time. Moreover, they can work regularly and get more rest after having this system. At the same time, this system will increase the awareness of public hygiene, especially wearing a mask when they go out. And this may reduce the transmission rate of COVID-19 more effectively in our country.